Alright, good morning, good people. So today, what I'm going to do for week one review is we're going to pretty much just posted a trade on this USD CHF. As you see, it's taking off in profit. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to review a couple of these trades that we took this week. Let me go back to the signals that I posted out this week. Just a moment. Okay. So let's see. First trade was a sell on the USD/JPY. Now, this trade was, let me get these indicators out of the way for us. And what I did was I basically just removed some of these indicators off of our charts. Okay, so with the GBP/JPY, we took our original trade here. I believe, you see the exact coordinates. The exact coordinates were 157.0 for our entry. And our target was 148.8. So we can clearly see that with this particular trade that was called on Monday, this is actually the first trade of the week. We went from entry here and we hit our target here. So trade one on the GBP/JPY was definitely a go. Let's take a look and see why exactly. Back here on Monday, we had a series of tops, double tops. Look here, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today's Friday. Alright, so that trade was definitely in the books, as we can see. Okay, so trade number one was GBP/JPY. Seal that deal. Now let's go to the USD/JPY. Also placed the trade there this week. So on the USD/JPY, here we go. All right, we took a sell. We got in at 108. This trade was placed at 108.650. That was another killer trade as well. So we had a target at 147.9. Ooh, should have been 1079. But there was a typo, but it was still a sell. But we sold to here. So if you held in the sell, you actually got way more pips than we determined. But that's nevertheless, you had to take profit up here, you're good to go. So that's trade number two. the USD JPY. Trade number 3 is going to be the Euro USD. Now on this particular trade, we took a buy at 122,450. Oh shit, that was another amazing trade right here. We entered at 122,450. Stop loss was at 200, about right in here, and our target was up here at 23.5. So again, if you did hang in with this trade, you also cashed out very well. Okay, trade number 3. Let's look at the pattern that formed here at the entry. Okay, trade number 3 was Euro Pound. Let's find the Euro Pound. Here we have the Euro Pound. We took a trade at 88.7. So honestly, as you see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the pound ain't went anywhere all week. But anyway, our entry is here for this pound, so we actually can go ahead. I'm actually going to place a buy here on the Euro Pound. All right, target up here at 89 too, which is actually the same exact trade from earlier this week, so go ahead and put that out there. All right, next we have the trade on the CHF-JPY. Here we actually wanted to enter at 114. Looks like 925 yesterday. So about right there. Had to take profit at 114.3, which was about right there. So yesterday as well, should have hit profit. Alright, we got some more trades. Some more sell on the USD. I think we got stopped out on that one. Sell on the pound USD, we got stopped out there. I had to sell on the Euro Aussie from 124.8. Oh no, that is a typo. This entry is actually 157.5. 157.5, so that would have been right around here. $157.5 would have been here for our entry. And the target here is 157.9. 156.9. So actually, the target for this trade is actually here. So we've actually already hit the target. This trade was posted yesterday. And it actually looks like it can continue to go down a little bit. But anyway, let's go to the next trade. USD CHF, which was posted today. We had a buy entry at 9,200 below, which is here. Anywhere below here would have been your entry. With a perceived target up here at what did I got in at 92.6. So we'll target about right there. So there we have a whole full week review of the trades that have been posted this week. Hope everybody was able to follow along successfully. If you haven't, we need to find out where you're going wrong. When these signals are posted, your only job is to identify the pattern. If you don't see a pattern, do not take the trade. The coordinates might not be 100% on point, but that's where your skill comes in as a trader. For example, I called this trade buy on the USD CHF. Why? We come here to the 15-minute chart. Look at this pattern. This is a doji, a swing low equal to a previous swing low. This here is a double bottom. This is a two-pattern reversal pattern. This is a single pattern reversal pattern. Okay? Now, as we notice here, we're at another swing high. So right here, we're either going to break, or this could be the area we need to take profit while we're in profit, because now this double bottom is now forming a double top, which means it's coming back. That is the type of stuff that you're going to have to identify, because if price doesn't turn here, we need to secure the bag. And if we wanted to, we can either get out of the market in profit, or we could get out of the market in profit, sell here based on a confirming double top, or we can hold this trade and watch our profit fall away. You got three options. Choose wisely. Okay? These indicators and stuff that I have put together point out the key things you need to see. You need to identify swing lows. Here with an arrow, also by the zigzag. Here with the arrow, also by the zigzag. You need to identify swing high. Here with a zigzag. Here with the arrow and a zigzag. Most of your swing highs are going to have both an arrow and a zigzag. But what you must do is do not get fooled while the candle is being created. You need to only confirm a pattern when the candle is completely done and it's moved on to the next. Then you analyze the previous one. You can't analyze, it's really hard to analyze real-time data. You want to analyze posted confirmed data, which means the candle's closed and the next one is forming on any time frame. Of course, the 1 minute chart has a new candle every minute, 5 minute every 5 minutes, 15 every 15. Of course, that's common sense. But confirm your pattern on the close of a candle, not while it's being created. For example, see how this looked as if it was pushing up? Now it looks like it's going to form a doji. But at the same time, there's still 1 minute left. It could shoot right back up. So it's really hard to tell. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to secure that bag upon the close of this candle. You know what I'm saying? If you wanted to be real slick with it, you can even put your stop loss. Sorry, I don't have a stop loss placed yet. In order to do that, you have to place a stop loss. Then you can move your stop loss. But you see how my stop loss is in profit. So if it comes back against me, I still will be out of the trade, but I will not be losing any money from this trade. A stop loss does not mean take your money. A stop loss means you're out of the trade. You can be taken out of the trade positively, or you can be taken out of a trade negatively. These are skills that you're only going to learn from experience. You have to know when to move your stop, when to enter and exit a trade based on patterns. We have a double bottom pattern here forming at 15-minute support at the low of the Asian session and the low of the London session. Things like that as confluence. Also, we have it sitting at a pivot. We have it sitting at support 1 pivot. Okay, so that's why I took the trade on the USD CHF. See, I'm still holding it. Told you what we were going to do based on this pattern. I'm actually eyeball managing this trade. I'm not walking away from my computer, so I can actually, it's a little bit easier to manage. I'll be done 5:45. I'll be done here within the next hour and a half, and hopefully you guys get to sit down and check out this video today, reviewing all the trades that we did take this week for the 60-day challenge, as well as a little bit more insight on how to use the template. Also, I will be making a more detailed description of how to use the template and its indicators one by one. And yeah, happy trading.